Bicol region became well known because of its beautiful places. The Mayon volcano with its perfect cone tempted everyone to come, nothing in mind but admiration. It is indeed a tourist destination. Fishing and farming are the major sources of income in this place. But sometime in October, Mayon volcano erupted. This brought boulders and lava on its shoulder. It was followed by the devastating Typhoon Milenio, then the most disastrous Typhoon Remi, which brought Bicol region into tragedy. Almost all the areas were flooded. The soil eroded. The trees were uprooted. Roads were covered with mud and sand. Different crops and houses were swiped out by mud flows from volcano. But the worst is, thousands of lives were buried alive, causing great number of casualties. The region was in turmoil. Families were left homeless. Beautiful landscapes turned into mud. Crops, trees, and other sources of income have gone. The people gravely suffered. They need help. They need to be rescued. They need to be saved. In response to the needs of Typhoon Reming victims, the Filipino Association of Singapore launched a humanitarian project in different areas in Bicol region. This includes distribution of relief goods, vegetable seeds, and conducting medical and dental mission. This is in cooperation with ABS-CBN Bantay Bata 163 Bicol region, local government of different municipalities, Parish Pastoral Council, non-government organizations, and other volunteers.
Minsan madarama mo kaibigan ng problema. Minsan mahihirapan ka at masasabing di ko na kaya. Tumingin ka lang sa langit, baka sakaling may masumpungan, o di kaya ako'y bahagin. Malalaman mong kahit kailan hawak kamay, di kita iwan sa paglakay. Dito sa mundo walang katiyakan, hawak kamay, di kita bibitawan sa paglalakbay. Sa mundo ng kawalan, minsan madarama mo ang mundo'y gumugo sa ilalim ng